Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them. Now tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Now you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Following that, you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now finally you can choose send on an Android and receive on XIAOMI. Then tap on all of those dots and choose send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo. Just send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and choose receive or scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, you can do that by tapping on this scanning icon on XIAOMI, choosing allow or only this time and pointing your device's camera at the code. Wait for it to focus. And now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!